Hey guys, it's Japan travel season once again. So if you're traveling to Japan this year, then this vlog series is perfect for you. It's gonna be a fun vlog for sure. I'm gonna tell you all about my experience in Gala Yuzawa, or braving a snowstorm in Gala Yuzawa, because how often do you experience a snowstorm when visiting Japan? Gala Yuzawa is really one of the places that I've been longing to go to in Japan because of its breathtaking views and the activities that you can do there. Plus, it's gonna be my son's first snowfall experience, so we were really looking forward to that. Unfortunately, on the day we got there, there was a heavy snowstorm or snowfall, and we can barely see anything in the place. But we'll get to that in a bit. So hope you watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It's our third day in this cold winter season of Tokyo, Japan, and we are on our way to Gala Yuzawa Ski Resort. As a family of 9 decided to book a van and travel by road, our van driver was also Filipino, which is really convenient for us, especially in a long drive in Gala Yuzawa. We left our Airbnb in Shinjuku at around 7 a.m. in the morning and expecting to arrive at Gala Yuzawa by 10 o'clock in the morning to 10:30. Usually travel hours by land is at 2 hours to 2 hours and a half. After 1 hour and a half, we had a quick stopover at Miyoshi to get a quick coffee and breakfast. It was 8:30 in the morning, so most shops were still closed, but good thing there was a Starbucks branch nearby to get that coffee fix. Who are you saying hello to?
To myself.
Say hi. Hi to yourself.
Hi, ice cream.
Hi. You want some ice cream ba?
No.
Later na lang.
No. Yes.
The car ride to Gala Yuzawa was surprisingly not boring despite the long drive. The drive there offers a scenic route passing through beautiful countryside and mountain views, perfect for nature lovers like me. At first, the weather was not that intense, but as soon as we started climbing the peak, we started to experience mild snowfall, which I must say looks very cinematic at that point. After a few hours, we started to notice that the snowfall was getting more intense and that the surroundings were starting to be covered by deep snow. But we weren't really bothered at that time because we thought it was a normal route to Gala Yuzawa. Because of the weather conditions, our travel time got extended by an additional 1 hour to 1 hour and a half. Go home. Go home. Lamig. Pwede bubuksan yung bintana. Ito yung madulas na sinasabi ko. Finally, after 3 hours on the road, we finally arrived to Gala Yuzawa. If it's gonna be your first time visiting here, you can just arrive early to make the most out of your day and avoid crowds, especially if you're gonna visit on a weekend.
Huh? Are you just joking? Look, this is a snow mask.
A snow mask, yes.
Tingnan ninyo ha. Aray. Malakas naman po sumigaw to.
Entrance fee, which includes a gondola ride, ranges from 6,000 to 7,000 yen, or about 2,500 pesos per person.
This one, is this one? This is for ski or not?
It's important to dress in layers and heat-tech clothes, as the snow area can get extremely cold. If you're planning to ski or snowboard, you can just rent some equipment on site to save baggage space. Just be prepared to pay rental fees that could cost you around 5,000 yen, or about 1,900 to 2,000 pesos. Also, if you're not wearing winter shoes, it's best to rent one before going to the snow play area so you don't end up slipping or falling while
The
walking.
baggage.
It's not a bad word.
The baggage.
No, it's not.
The baggage.
Where are we going?
The baggage. I want to play snow.
Here we are getting ready to ride the gondola to see the snow play area.
搭乘缆车的客人，请注意需减速人行，谢谢你的耐心等。
So high.
Because he's gonna snowboard.
Mommy!
Say hi to Dana. Just in case. Inunahan tayo. Oh! Oh!
Nagulat ako.
Gulat. Oo.
It was my first time riding a gondola, so got a bit nervous for a second. At this time, the weather was already extremely windy and the snowfall was now very thick to the point where you can barely see anything if you look outside the windows. At first, we were still hopeful that the weather could improve so we can see the summit view, but we soon accepted that the snowstorm was coming in fast. But still, we were very much excited to go to the snow area. Careful, Koksa.
Come on, let's play.
It's okay, anak. You... And now we are entering the snow play area. Temperature was at -3 degrees, so you can just imagine the freezing wind blowing through our faces. But that did not stop us from enjoying and playing around the snow area. Dad!
Dad! Coco!
Saan sila? It was almost zero visibility in the area. You couldn't really see anything past the forest, and everything was just white.
Kay Coco naman! Kay Coco! Kay Coco!
But despite the harsh weather, it was still a surreal experience for me and the family. We made snow angels, tried to build a snowman, had a snowball fight, took countless photos and videos, and even attempted to go snowboarding. It was a beautiful moment for us, shared in extreme cold weather.
Pops, do you wanna make a snow angel?
Ayan, yan, yan. Teka, teka, bibidyoan na kita.
Make a snow angel, dali. Videoan mo lang, ha? Wow, look at Coco. Mami si Coco.
What is the angel?
Ready? Here we tried to slide down using a snowboard, but the snow was too thick and soft that we just end up sinking instead of sliding. We're not moving. Ikaw na lang, kaya mo? You gotta do it on your own? Wow! Hold it! Hold it, Cox! Hindi makita yung mata niya. Rico, smile here, smile! Rico!
Get a lot. Like this.
Wala, busy.
Nice to show stuff.
We stayed in the snow area for about 30 minutes before surrendering to the strong winds, fast snowfall, and freezing temperature. We had a hearty lunch inside the food court and tried to stay hydrated from all the walking and activities that we did. In true Filipino fashion, we had to eat the Okinawan ice cream even if it's less than 5 degrees outside. Cheers, Nico. Cheers! After 3 hours in Gala Yuzawa, we decided to head down at the main base since we heard that the Snowstorm is expected to arrive in a few hours. We didn't want to be stranded, so we just decided to head on out and say goodbye to this amazing place.
Lola is scared.
By the time that we were leaving, the snowfall was now very heavy that our van's roof was almost covered in thick snow. We even saw some of the cars completely submerged under the snow in the parking lot. There are road patrollers all over the place to help guide tourists on the safest routes back to the city. One of the road patrollers told us that the main road back to Shinjuku is now blocked off due to the heavy snowstorm, making it impossible to drive there. We were given a longer route, but our driver said that it's more uphill and somewhat more dangerous than the main road. We even thought about finding a nearby hotel and just stay there until the snowstorm passes. But our driver advised that snowstorms can last up to 2 days and we may be stranded in the mountains for that entire time. So we just took the chance and chose to go with a longer drive back home. We had to stop from time to time to scrape off snow in the windshields, wipers, and even the roof of the van. Not gonna lie, it was pretty scary and intense, and we couldn't even sleep the entire car ride.
Sige po, pwede po.
And finally, at around 5 p.m., we made our way back to the main road and was now more relaxed. The road was now more visible and snowfall was less heavy than usual.
Hey, smile. Say Japan. What are you excited about in Japan?
Pikachu.
Pikachu, you wanna buy Pikachu?
We arrived back to our Airbnb in Shinjuku at around 7 p.m., which was 3 hours longer than the expected time, but glad that we were home safe anyway. And that's it for our Gala Yuzawa Snowstorm experience. I hope to visit the place again, but with better weather please. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in our next travel vlog Japan series.